amazing. I'm
All
gonna
right.
send it to Daddy.
This right here is a new fan that I got off Lowe's. It's a 24-inch hard breeze Gaskin ceiling fan. It's not gonna stay out here forever. I'm just testing here, but here's the light. I put it together all behind myself. All right. Here's the fan low. It's got a slight wobble to it though. Basically all my fans have wobbles. There's with the light. Let's go without the light though. Alright, medium. It's high. You see airflow, it blows so much air. It's incredible. There's the light. Alright. Enough good enough. It's not gonna stay outside. I'm not gonna keep it out here. I just installed it here just to see how it looks and just to see if it works.
A little bit, just a little bit.
It's a new fan that I got.
Get right, get tight.
And it is. I hope you enjoyed.